Hey there, history buffs! Today I'm diving into an intense chapter of modern military history, the Battle of Mogadishu, often known as Black Hawk Down. Let's set the stage. It's October 3rd, 1993. The United States military is engaged in a UN mission in Somalia, aiming to capture a warlord named Mohammed Farah Aidid. Aidid's forces have been wreaking havoc, exacerbating famine and violence in the region. The mission? Simple on paper, but anything but in execution. It was supposed to be a quick snatch-and-grab operation. Delta Force operators and Army Rangers were deployed to capture 2 of Aidid's top lieutenants. But as the saying goes, no plan survives contact with the enemy. As American forces descended on Mogadishu, chaos erupted. 2 Black Hawk helicopters were shot down, turning a 1-hour mission into an overnight ordeal. Suddenly, the soldiers found themselves in the middle of a city hostile to their presence, surrounded by thousands of heavily armed Somali militia and civilians. The soldiers faced a relentless barrage. Fighting block by block, they experienced some of the most intense urban combat since the Vietnam War. Meanwhile, a desperate rescue mission was launched to save the crew of the downed helicopters. This battle was a fierce test of courage, endurance, and tactics. American forces fought to reclaim their fallen comrades, displaying extraordinary acts of bravery. One striking example is Master Sergeant Gary Gordon and Sergeant First Class Randy Sugar. They requested to be dropped at the second crash site to provide cover for the wounded crew, knowing full well the danger. Their sacrifice earned them the Medal of Honor posthumously. The battle raged for nearly 18 hours. By the end, 18 American soldiers were killed and over 70 were wounded. However, the estimates for Somali casualties ranged dramatically, with some reports suggesting more than 1,000 lost their lives. In the aftermath, the Battle of Mogadishu left a deep mark on U.S. military strategy and policy. It led to a re-evaluation of intervention strategies and highlighted the complexities of urban warfare. The story was later immortalized in the book and film Black Hawk Down, bringing the harrowing details to a global audience. But beyond the Hollywood dramatization, it's crucial to understand the human aspect, the stories of valor, the chaos of war, and the lasting impact on those who lived through it. So the next time you think of Black Hawk Down, remember it's more than a movie. It's a stark reminder of the bravery and sacrifices made by soldiers in one of the most intense battles in modern history. That wraps up today's deep dive into the Battle of Mogadishu. If you found this gripping, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more untold stories from history. Until next time, stay curious.